What's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning into my video. Before the video gets started, I'd like to tell y'all what I was doing because I didn't do much explaining in the video like I should have. Just kind of got caught up in the moment of fishing and didn't do my part. So at lick number 1, start off by dragging a Carolina rig with the cotton candy lizard. Had about a 2-foot, I guess you'd call leader. It's all the way up here, just drags down. Good amount, fishing fairly deep water. It was really fun, but that was what we're throwing at leg number 1. And then the bite wasn't as we expected. Didn't catch any big ends, or I guess a lot for what I consider, but moved, try to get on some bedfish because the lake we just fished didn't have any. Lake number 2, threw around it a little bit, didn't have as much success. So we're like, yep, bed fishing. That's all we're doing for the rest of the time. Spent about 2 hours looking for some because we had a cold front the day before and they weren't pulled up. But just threw this little bait right here, creature style bait, peg, Texas rig, 1/8 ounce weight, just a slower fall because they're obviously shallow. On a big bites bait, 3-inch Rojas fighting frog. I like the color white because I'm not all about natural when it comes to bed fishing. I'm about pissing the fish off and getting the bite. So all I'm looking for is that white disappear with the mouth grabbing it, and that's it. So hope y'all enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you do, hit that like and subscribe button, and I just thank y'all for tuning in. Peace. So rolled in, and now set it. There you go. Yep, there's a bass. It's that easy, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you little squirmy wormy.
All right, it's been a minute, Dylan. Let's see how you get it off.
That's the easy part. Getting them to bite it first.
There you go. Show the camera. Yeah, all right.
Tiny little pecker.
Good release. Point. Sets are free, so.
Goes up a freaking mile.
Oh, I got one.
Freaking kidding me? Oh.
Be a good one. It's all right. Yeah. Yeah, he's better.
It's a lot better than the first one.
See?
Smallmouth? Is it? Yeah, there's
Largemouth.
they are.
Yeah. Dang. Yeah, he was not going anywhere. There we go. Not a bad one, guys. Just fishing a little Carolina rig right here with the lizard. Oh, you got one. There you go.
Good one, too.
Yeah, there you go. Nice, dude. Nice. Cool. Wow, look how red his lips are.
Oh, nice.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, that's a fishy. Yeah. Oh,
Woo.
yes. A little floppy little thing.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah, I'll give no.
Yeah, I go.
He's jizzing all over the boat.
Is he really?
Yeah.
It's that time of year. Nice.
Yeah, he didn't die.
Good catch. Oh, I got one.
Okay.
I think it's a good one. There you go.
Hey, that's better.
Yeah. Yeah, this bank's always good right here.
Yeah.
There go. You like that? Oh, he's by the tail.
He's so green.
Yeah, he is. Green FN. Baitcaster version.
What is up, my friend?
Oh, you got one? There you go. Dillon got one, guys. But we're basically just. Oh, there's the fish. We're throwing a Carolina rig, guys. I'm throwing a Bandito bug. He's throwing a Senko. They're hard to catch in this wind. Huh? Oh, there we go. Come on, eat it. There we go. On the lizard, guys. Little bass. Slow release. So basically what we're throwing here, guys, is just the Carolina rig with a lizard. He's throwing the Carolina rig with a Senko. We're getting bit pretty good, so let's see what we can do.
Just waiting for him to eat it.
Yeah.
Good one.
There you go.
Better one at least.
Yeah, we're growing, we're growing.
Fish.
Fish.
Flip, flip.
There we go. Got a bite. Hey, he's on. Little guy. Yeah, they're eating a little better on this side for sure.
On the toilet. On the toilet.
What? Yeah. Oh yeah. I got one. That's a better one. Huh?
Catch a fish and we're throwing right over here. Love you.
Look at that, guys. It's a better fish right there, guys.
On the toilet.
You want it? Oh, sorry, Randall. The fish? You like them, don't you? Dylan, what did we just do?
We move lakes to catch big bass.
That's right. We'll just fan cast a little bit.
Are there fish over here?
Yeah. On both sides of us, actually. There we go. Last bass, guys. Here, let me see. Don't even touch it. Yeah, that one's probably done. Here, let me see it. Oh, I have not seen one that bad. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh my gosh, guys. Dylan, what did you do? Oh yeah. Bro, he just had it. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Here we go, find his face. Oh, what is that? Dillon. Got him, guys. Oh yeah. That was sick. Let's go.
Jizzing everywhere, right on you.
Guys, just caught this bedfish. Oh, that was amazing.
He's jizzing in Yager's mouth. I'm not kidding.
Chill. Guys, right in the top of the mouth. Dang, he was not going anywhere. It's a nice male. He came from right over there. Put him back. That was awesome, guys. So the fish is right there. It's hard to see, but cast right here. Come on, take a little. Okay, he's gonna bite. Okay, get in there. Get one out. Oh yeah.
Really good from Yager, wasn't right there?
Guys, we took probably, I'll tell you how long real quick. That took about 10 minutes to get this guy off the damn bed. Holy crap. Just a little male.
Goody, goody, goo.
Came off that bed up there, guys. Just let him slide down, get some grease on there. Boom. Alright guys, we just found another bedfish. We're gonna throw this and see if we can't catch him right before night. Turn this off. See what we can do. Good. Right there. Okay, hold on. Yeah, he hates that thing there. Okay, stop. Here. Here, watch out. Can I let you rod off a little bit? Slowly. Okay, good. Now click it back in. There you go. Perfect. Stop. Here, get out. He's less pissed now. Okay, good. Now keep it there. Okay, stop. Oh my gosh. Keep it there. Set it. Nice.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh no! No! Don't know what has happened.
I want to kill myself.
So Dylan, show me your bait real quick. Okay, look at his bait, guys. Dylan just had a fish on a bed, ate it, got it up, and what happened, Dylan?
That little fart knocker jumped off.
Dude, I don't even know where the bed's at. Oh, there it is. Wait, what? I can't even see anything anymore. Damn, dude. Guys, finally. Holy crap. Where'd my phone go? I doubt y'all can even see this, but there you go. Bed fishing. Tried to get Dylan on it, but I mean, can y'all see the bed? I can't either. It's just so freaking hard to see them right now, but finally got them. So that's gonna conclude today's video. Thank y'all for tuning in, and subscribe if you enjoyed.